Professor Saraswati Ghosh from School of Education going to present on an important topic, guidance of adolescents. Why adolescence is important, it is vulnerable for guidance. For that only, it is the adolescence which is very critical developmental stage, that is the period of many changes, physical changes, mental changes, social changes, environmental changes, relationship with peers and parents, responsibility at home and society, all those changes, it appears suddenly in their life, that is between 12 to 18 years. These transitions may challenge adolescents' sense of identity. As a result, we found they are always stressed with those conditions, with those changes and transitions. However, some adolescents are convicted in risk behavior like addiction, disability, gender discrimination, exposure to many violent activities in the society. According to Alsecker and Kroger, 2006, adolescence is vulnerable period due to these above transitions, as I told you, physical, mental, social, personal changes, and thus they need timely and properly guidance. Therefore, this adolescence is considered as a vulnerable stage. What is guidance? We should know it. It refers to the process as rendering to the individuals about detailed information about the individual, advice as per the need, and assistance as per the solution of the problem to the individual, those who have problems, and that problems to be removed without ignoring by appropriate strategies and developing potential, specially qualified and trained professional, they should be ready to provide this service in an organized and systematic manner. It helps an individual to develop his personality fully and enables him or her to serve the community, to serve the society at large to the best of his capabilities and talents, that is according to Woodworth. The objectives of guidance. You know, guidance, it is purposeful. This process is always having some purpose, and with that purpose, it is meant to solve the individual's problem, provide the information, advice, assistance about adolescents' educational area, vocational area, personal area, social area as per the adolescents' need, and also to help the adolescents for identifying strengths and weaknesses, developing potentialities and abilities with interest. Besides, to help in good adjustment with the environment in all situations. Yes, my dear students, we should know the problem is important or individual is important so far as guidance is concerned. Yes, anybody? Yes, individual is important. Problem is secondary, individual is primary. We should help the individual in such a manner. We should not help directly to solve the problem. Rather, we should help the individual. As a result, individual should be ready enough, capable enough to solve his or her problem. Therefore, prime concern is individual, and our ultimate purpose is to achieve the wholesome growth of the individual with full personality to be effective and efficient member of the society. The principles of guidance, the fundamental truth behind the guidance. This guidance is a means and or action to achieve the goals, and guidance, it is a specialized service. Why it is specialized? Because adolescents, they have many types of problems in different areas: educational area, social area, personal areas, vocational areas, and many others. According to their problems, need, area specified, they need some special service, and that service should be rendered by the trained personnel in an organized order, in a systematic manner. At the same time, guidance is a continuous process where the process is not very speedy manner, rather it is a slow process, because we'll have to bring the change in the individual, bring the change during the adolescence period so far as their problematic needs are concerned. Therefore, we find guidance is the ultimate measure for the individual having problem. But keep it in your mind, individuals are not same. They are different. So because of individual difference, due to different aspects, due to their different needs, different interests, different abilities, different socio-economical background, and many others. So they need guidance in different manner. Functions of guidance, it is not concentrated to particular area, rather it is comprehensive, covering all aspects of life to achieve the overall growth of the individual. As a whole, it assists the adolescents to know their problems, to develop their abilities, and to develop their interests. As a whole, they should understand their particular problem, and they help understand their strengths and weaknesses. At the same time, to inform them about the opportunities. Various opportunities are there in different problematic areas, and nowadays the society is changing, the market is demanding. So as per the market demand and social changes, we need different occupations, different opportunities. So those opportunities, vast in number, large in number, it must be provided to them. As a result, they can choose the particular area, particular occupation, particular vocation, and pursue their life in a systematic manner to be independent individual in the society, to help them making realistic choices in education, vocation, and personal affairs to solve their problem. I told you earlier also, we should not solve their problem, rather we should help them. In such a way, they should find their problem, identify their problem, and they should find the measures to solve their problem under the guidance of trained personnel. There itself, they should be capable enough to make their realistic choice, not the daydreams, which is possible on ground as per their situation, as per their availability. They must make their independent choice in education, in vocation, and personal affairs. Scopes or needs of guidance. There itself, as I told you, major ways the problems are different, but major way we focus for adolescents: educational guidance, vocational guidance, social guidance, personal guidance. These are the areas, these are the scopes for guidance. There itself, in educational guidance, new situations are there, they should identify and they should involve themselves, and academic progress, educational opportunities, and many other areas related to the education. They should identify what it is, how to go, where to go, how to achieve their goal, everything they should make it clear, and accordingly they should decide and take the decision as well as action. Vocational guidance is concerned. In vocation, various vocations are opened, and if as it is opened, they should make their suitable choice to the particular vocation, to their particular career, and individual differences they must understand also, and the rapid changes in the society, market demands are also changing constantly, and these ever changing society and market demands make them forced to go for the actual choosing, realistic choosing the vocation. Besides that, personal guidance as per their personal need, they should go for that own interest, own ability, aspirations, interpersonal communication, relation, tension, conflict, adjustment to the whole environment, choice of life with life partner, family life, and participation in sports, games, all those areas that is their concern in their personal area, and they need guidance. Besides social guidance, which is the societal changes, it is ever changing, ever going, and family expectations, family acceptance, societal expectation and acceptance, friends pressure, expectations, politics, leadership, school environmental changes, everything. It is always going on, and it is around the child, around that adolescent. The process of guidance of adolescents. Here itself, this process, it is ongoing. It is ongoing process where establishing a rapport with adolescent. It is very, very important. Unless until we make the relationship very close, very amicable, the person cannot open himself or herself beside the professional. There itself, the first and foremost duty of the trained personal is here itself establishing rapport, the close relationship, to make the person open and very, very close to share the information, exchange the information. There itself, another way, the collecting all relevant information about personal interest, about the person's ability, cultural background, socio-economical background, problems, strengths, weaknesses of the individual, that must be collected by the trained professional. Besides, diagnosing needs and problems concerned to the individuals, means adolescents, that is most concerned, as I already described earlier, educational, vocational, personal, social, and others. Then next step, discussing problems with adolescents. If needs, administering psychological tests, where as per the situational needs, as per the particular problem needs, interest test, personality test, intelligence test, achievement test, all those tests to be as per the need, it is to be conducted, it must be administered, and providing a large opportunities, large options to solve the particular problem. It is to be opened, it is to be rendered and provided by the trained professional. Developing awareness by the adolescents, adjustment by the adolescents, and developing competence among the adolescents as a whole, they will be capable enough to achieve their goal. assisting to take the decisions for solving problem, that particular area, educational, vocational, personal, social, and making life comfortable to the whole environment. That is the ultimate, the whole soul growth, promoting their growth and development to make them independent, empowered in the society where they will be efficient and effective member. Time to time, discussion about the progress and satisfaction with remediation. Though solution is there, solution suppose it is achieved, problem is solved, but still the trained personnel should contact time to time and discuss with the adolescents about their progress, about their satisfaction, and if any remedial measures needed, then it must be used timely and properly. Last but not the least, follow-up measures, it is to be taken up to evaluate the effects of the guidance that is already provided to the adolescents. Thank you all.